In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove games from your Epic Games library the right way, and I want to clear up one very important thing before we start. You cannot permanently delete a game from your Epic library. What you can do is uninstall it from your PC so it's no longer taking up storage or showing as installed on your computer. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and log in to the account that has the games you want to manage. Once the launcher opens, look at the left-hand side and click on Library. This is where all of your owned games appear, including the ones you've installed and the ones you haven't installed yet. Now, find the game you want to remove from your system. You'll see a three-dot menu next to the game title. Click those three dots to open the Options menu. In that menu, choose Uninstall. This is the main action that removes the game from your computer. Just remember, uninstalling does not delete the game from your Epic account. It only removes the local files from your PC. After you click uninstall, Epic Games may ask you to confirm your choice. If it does, confirm the uninstallation and let the launcher finish the process. Depending on the size of the game, this may take a little while. Bigger games can take longer to remove, especially if they installed a lot of extra files or updates. Once it's done, the game will no longer be taking up space on your drive. If your goal was just to clean up storage or stop a game from being installed on your computer, then you're all set. But if you were hoping to completely remove a game from your Epic account, that is not something Epic Games currently allows through the launcher. In that case, your best option is to contact Epic Games support and review your issue with them directly. They may be able to explain what options are available for your account or your region. To contact support, go to the Epic Games support website and look through the help articles or contact options provided there. Be ready to explain exactly what you want to do, whether it's uninstalling a game, hiding something from your library, or asking about account-related concerns. That makes it easier for support to guide you in the right direction. So to quickly recap, open Epic Games Launcher, go to Library, click the three dots on the game and select Uninstall. That removes the game from your PC, but not from your Epic account. If you need more help beyond that, reach out to Epic Games Support for official guidance. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.